If you know by now, if you've been watching my videos, I've been reading out of this book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind with Joseph Murphy. And I want to read to you a few pages in chapter 8 on how to get the results you want. You can do this in life. It's very easy if you get your mind focused and if you know how to use your subconscious mind. This book will help you in all aspects of your life. How to get the results you want. You must remember that whenever your subconscious mind accepts an idea, it immediately begins to execute it. It uses all its mighty resources to that end. It mobilizes all the mental and spiritual laws of your deeper mind. This law is true for good ideas, but it holds true for bad ideas as well. Consequently, if you use your subconscious mind negatively, it brings trouble, failure, and confusion. When you use it constructively, it brings guidance, freedom, and peace of mind. The right answer is inevitable when your thoughts are positive, constructive, and loving. From this, it is obvious that the only thing you have to do in order to overcome failure is to get your subconscious to accept your idea or request. Feel its reality now, and the law of your mind will do the rest. Turn over your request with faith and confidence, and your subconscious will take over and answer for you. Anytime you try to force your subconscious mind to do something for you, you will fail. The results you want will become more distant instead of closer. Your subconscious mind does not respond to mental coercion. It responds to your faith or conscious mind acceptance. Your failure to get results may also be a consequence of mentally making such statements as, "Things are getting worse. I will never get an answer. I see no way out. It is hopeless. I don't know what to do. I'm all mixed up." When you use such statements, you get no response or cooperation from your subconscious mind. Like a soldier marking time, you go neither forward nor backward. In other words, you don't get anywhere. Imagine that you got into a taxi and gave the driver a half dozen different directions. He would become hopelessly confused. He might refuse to take you anywhere. Even if he tried to follow your instructions, chances are he would not be able to. Where you would end up is anybody's guess. It is the same when working with the enormous powers of your subconscious mind. You must have a clear-cut idea in your mind. You must arrive at the definite decision that there is a way out, a solution to the vexing problem in sickness. Only the infinite intelligence within your subconscious knows the answer. When you come to that clear-cut conclusion in your conscious mind, your mind is then made up, and according to your belief, it is done unto you. A homeowner whose furnace broke down during a bitter cold snap called a repairman. The repairman came out at once. Within half an hour, the furnace was working again. The repairman then gave the homeowner a bill for $200. "What?" the outraged homeowner exclaimed. "It took you no time at all. All you did was replace one small part. How can you have the nerve to charge me $200 for a little gizmo that can't be worth more than $5? The repairman shrugged. "I charged you only $2 for the broken part," he said. "That's what I had to pay for it." The homeowner waved the bill in his face. "$2? He yelled. "This says $200. "That's right," the repairman said. "The other $198 is for knowing what was wrong and how to fix it." Your subconscious mind is the master mechanic, the all-wise one. It knows the ways and means of healing any organ of your body. Decree health, and your subconscious will establish it. But relaxation is the key. Easy does it. Do not let yourself get bogged down in thinking about details and means. Know what the end result will be. Get the feel of the happy solution to your problem, whether it is health, finances, or personal relationships. Remember how you felt after you recovered from a serious illness. Bear in mind that your feeling is the touchstone of all subconscious demonstration. Your new idea must be felt subjectively in a finished state. Felt not as something that may come to pass in the future, but as something that has actually come to pass at this moment. This book is so good. You've got to get it. It doesn't cost that much. It's less than $20, and it will benefit you in all different types of ways that you may never have even known. That's how powerful your subconscious mind is. It will help anybody, even if you think you're the best person on this entire earth, it will help even you. Or the worst person on earth, it will help you too. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.